Welcome to Fiber Optic Valley. It's common knowledge that fiber optics is part of our daily life, whether it's through the use of the internet, TV, or telephone. However, fiber optics are used in a much wider sense than just communications. We'll now look at some exciting applications in which fiber optics are used. Let's say we have a subway station. It's a place used daily by thousands of people. If a fire was to break out in such an environment, underground and with few exits, it is crucial that the fire is put out immediately or that evacuation is made in the most efficient manner. By installing heat-sensitive fiber optic cables, this is exactly what can be achieved. A fire has started in this subway cart. It's a good thing that heat-detecting cables have been installed in this tunnel. Let's take a look at how they work. The fibers are coated with a wax substance that expands when subjected to heat. When the substance expands, the fiber strand contracts and the light inside bends. This can be read by a monitor unit at the end of the cable. The unit sends an alarm to the fire department with information about when and where the fire has started and where it's heading. In this scenario, the firefighters deal with the fire before it can spread. In the medical field, fiber optics is used on a daily basis. We are going to take a look at how it can be used as a camera and a light source simultaneously. For a gastroscopic procedure, the doctor uses just this, a camera and a light source rolled into one. Using optical fibers in endoscopes enables otherwise inaccessible parts of the body to be inspected while keeping the diameter of the cable to a minimum. As you will see here, this endoscope has a number of conduits, some of which contain fiber strands. Two of them contain fibers that are used to transmit light. In this one, the fiber strands receive that light and send the information to a monitor that the physician is watching. By using fiber optic cables, the laser industry is able to create and transport laser light through very slim and versatile machines. Let's take a look. This is a laser welding robot. It uses fiber optic cables to transport high-power laser light with intensity high enough to weld metals together from a distance of several meters. The intense laser light is absorbed by the metal sheets, creating joints with high precision. Another area where fiber lasers are commonly used is in the marking industry. These applications require a pulsed laser in order to achieve a beam intense enough for material removal on the surface. Here we see a schematic overview of one type of pulsed fiber laser. A short pulse is generated by a so-called seed laser. The laser pulse is combined with external energy from pump lasers into one single fiber. When the laser pulse reaches the gain fiber, the external energy is converted in such a way that the laser pulse is amplified. The laser beam is guided to a scanner head, where two mirrors direct it onto the object. Those were just some of the exciting areas in which fiber optics are used. New application areas are constantly being invented, with the power of light as a guiding star.